Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put a gradient background in Photoshop. We start by opening the Photoshop document where to make the background. Next, we are going to click on the rectangle shape tool and create one by filling the background of the image. After that, we are going to right-click on the created rectangle layer and click on Blending Options. Next, we find and click on the Gradient Overlay effect. Here, we click on the Gradient option. From this window, we can choose a color preset or custom adjust the gradient colors. You can also adjust the limiters to adjust the gradient effect. Click OK to apply the changes. Finally, if you want, you can choose a specific style for the gradient effect. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Once we apply the changes, we will see our background with a gradient. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.